Yes, today we want to teach you how to design a POS banner. And this POS banner is in this format. We want to teach you how to can achieve this. Then first, you go to, let's move this away. You scale your banner size. We have a video on how to scale banner size, but I'll redo it again. Then draw your rectangle like this. Then change your unit to feet. Then come here, press 2, tab, feet, enter. Be careful because once you do that, it might change. Then open this padlock here. Come, lock it back. Press 2, lock it back. Then you have successfully scaled to 2 by 3 feet. But if you design on this particular size, your system may be slow. Then reduce it. Reduce the size a bit to that of, let's say, A4. And this is an A4 artboard like this. Then we can start our design from here. First, start with the POS. Pick your text tool here, POS, then drop, scale, resize it. Then change your font here. We are using Montserrat Bold Extra from here at this point like this. Give it a color, red. Then press F12 on a keyboard to give it scale with objects and behind, set it behind, click OK, and then right click on any color to give an outline. Right click here, let's use white, then set white, then use this shadow to give it a shadow to a little, readjust it so that it won't be shouted. Zoom in, readjust it, readjust. The essence of this is just for it to come out bold. Then draw another rectangle like this. From here, right click and drag on that your main rectangle that you're designing. Right click, drop it, then you power click inside. Then double click to access it inside. Double click here. From here you can change the color setting. Let's say you want to use this color, and then use interactive fill tool like this. From here, select here, let's say blue. Let's use blue like this. Or let's change it to this way. Bring it like this, and then select it. Remove the default outline from here. Okay. Then press finish. Then from here now, the next thing we'll go with, scale this. We'll go with the services. Select a rectangle like this. Then use your shape to drag to make it circular. Then we'll use this effect. Press alternate on your keyboard. Select the inside of that inside right up. The inside the rectangle from here. Then come to this filter. We are going to use the same filter, the same gradient that we use here. For this is it. Then I just did a shortcut, but you can still follow the same process. So from here, go to the outline, give it an outline. Let's change the outline color to white. Right click here, white, as you can see from here. Then let's use the text to services, then change the color to white so that you can see very well. Change the color to white. Achieve it. Let's you can also use that. It's a bit, then scale it up small a bit, top a little bit. Then now we'll need our money point. So then from here, this money point, we'll go to our file where we have our tools. let's this is our desktop where we can get the images, and then this is our exercise file. From here we'll copy all the exercise files, copy from here. We'll copy here, we'll go back to our corridor in our working area here, and now we'll paste everything here. This is it. We have removed their backgrounds. They are in PNG format, and this PNG format like this, they don't have background, so they are easy to use. Let's rearrange it to this point. Then this, scale it up by pressing shift page up. Let this one come up. Then let's make this one smaller. Make it smaller. Yeah. Then from this point, we want to achieve this now. We need a rectangle at this point here. Then scale it. Press Ctrl on your keyboard. Drag one part of it from here. Then you can give it. Let's make them. Okay, let's press Shift first. Drag down. Let's drag it. Let's drag another one like this. So from here now, let's add the outline from here to, let's say, 8. No, it's too much. Let's make it 4. Then right click to give it an outline color here. So then select this particular one. Select the shape tool. Press Ctrl to readjust this. Here to press Ctrl and hold to readjust it. Then now from here you can give it any color. Let's say this dark red, the bright red. Then this one, let's give it white here. Then let's double click inside. From here, drag it down a bit. Click OK. Let's drag it. OK. As you can see from here. Then now let's write we'll deal with cash deposit. Cash deposit. This cash deposit, let's change the color to white. Then let's make then change it to, we want to use a consistent font. Display, then Ctrl K to break it. Press Ctrl K. This is deposit. This is I deposit. Scale it. Scale it like this. Scale it backward like this. Like this. Then we can duplicate it downwards. Let's change this color to black. For clear view. Then here we can write POS. Then let's change this one to withdrawal. POS withdrawal. The POS withdrawal. Readjust it to this point. Then here. Here now. So change it to red and yellow. Then this one, readjust it small a bit. Then here, let's see, from here is transfer. I can change it. Then delete one. Then select all, write transfer. Transfer to this point, like this. Like this. And then we select it. Then here, we want to make the essence of we want to make an arrow to point down to the contact details. Let's reduce it Let's reduce it like this. Then remove the outline here. Remove the outline. Double click. Adjust it a bit. So from here now, you now put your contact details. Let's scale this part a bit. Put your contact details. Let's arrange this. Then select your text. You can write 0090 023431 like this, and then the phone numbers with this hold like this. If you have two phone numbers, you can include them. Then from here, I want us to create a point from here, like an arrow to show from here like this. Then join this thing, give it a color, let's red. Then remove the outline so that it shows the phone number boldly. Click on bold. You can also change it, use this Montserrat font like this. Then from here you need the call symbol. Press Ctrl F11 here, and then look at it here. You can select it and drag it and bring it out. But if you can't see for this, you can write webding like this. Press enter. Then you can search for it down here like this. You can see, look at the call button here. Then change this color to red for a sharp view. Drag it like this. Thank you so much. We'll see you in our next class.